orange marmalade, we have taken about 1 kg of oranges, washed and cleaned. The oranges should have a plain skin. To take oranges with a thin skin so that the zest of the orange is not too bitter. Cut the oranges into half. Make sure that the oranges are sweet and are smooth in texture. Take out the juice of the oranges. We won't throw away this membrane and the seeds of the oranges, but collect them at one place. Now scrape out all of the white portion from the orange peel. You can use a knife or the spoon. After scraping down the orange peels, let's cut them into thin strips. Now take a muslin cloth or a muslin bag and add to it collectively all orange membrane, seeds and the scraped orange peel and tie it up. Add 1 liter of water, add the juice into it, the made sack, add the orange peel. This sack will release pectin. Pectin will help the marmalade to make it thick and act as a preservative. Now this has come to a boil. We will sim the heat and keep it for an hour to boil. It has been an hour since this has been boiling. Now as you can see, the liquid has also become half of what it was. You can put off the heat and then let it cool down and then squeeze out the sack, or I will just put off the heat and then take out this bag. It's not too hot to touch, and squeeze it with the help of a spoon so that I can save the time. Now put on the heat again and add sugar to it, adding about 1 cup of sugar. Keep on boiling this till it gets thick enough. Let's add 2 teaspoons of lemon juice into it. After 20 minutes of slow cooking, the marmalade jam is ready. Let's put 1 teaspoon of the jam over a cold plate. Check the consistency. Then wait for a minute. If after a minute it doesn't flow down easily, that means the jam is perfectly ready. Pour the orange jam in sterilized warm bottles. Sterilize the bottles in boiling water by keeping in the boiling water for about 15 minutes, and then pour the jam in it. 1 kilo of oranges make about 300 grams of marmalade. Though in the market a bottle of orange marmalade is easily available, but you won't get that homemade purity and quality. Give yourself a daily dose of healthy breakfast by enjoying this marmalade with your toast and hot butter over it.
And yes, give your feedback in the comment section below. We are waiting for it. You can even hit the like button, add this video to your favorite, or even share the video. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Subscribe with us for more such lovely recipes. Till then, keep healthy and enjoy cooking.